Hey guys, this is Elisa with WTI. Let me tell you how much I've been loving this eyelash eyebrow brush. It comes in a package of 300 pieces and this is by G2PLUS. These brushes are not only super gentle on your skin, but they are perfect whenever you're fixing your eyebrows. If you are getting any eyelash extensions, this will do the job too. And even using them before or after applying your mascara, this is perfect to separate those eyelashes and make them look beautiful. I also love that this size are pretty small of these brushes, which makes it super easy for you to carry everywhere. As you can see, whenever I get my eyebrows done, I always use these because they are super gentle on my skin. They are not rough at all. I also like that the color is pink, of course, that's a plus. So if you're looking for an eyelash eyebrow brush, then definitely go for these. There's many of them in a package. They are very affordable, they're super gentle on your skin, and I give these brushes a 10 out of 10. But that's just my point of view.